How to fix Facebook gaming live stream not working. In today's video, we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go and open apps option. Here on apps option, you have to open or search for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this. Scroll down and click on storage. Here, go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back, click on force stop and click also OK. And now what you should do right now, go to set as a default option, open supported links. You have to allow it like this, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you.